Hello, today we will see how to install the Unity development engine. So you will go to unity.com, you will click download, let the URL in your favorite browser. For example, here I use Microsoft Edge. So when you press enter, you will be directed to the Unity's official page. Inside Unity's official page, you will see some tabs there. We have games, industry, resources, community, learning, and support. We will just navigate and see what is new in Unity. So if you scroll down, you will see a download button. So you click download. For Windows users, you click for Windows. For Mac. Then if you scroll down, we have system requirements. For Windows 10, 64-bit, we have graphic cards. You will check. So you click downloads. Then your download will begin shortly. Then you wait until you will give it some few minutes. It's around 157 MBs. So that will be the first step. We will have to install this Unity app. Then from there, we will install our editor. So Unity app is the one which gives you the interface to install the editor and the running resources for game development. So as you can see, it is about to finish downloading. So as you can see now, it has finished downloading. It is around 150 MB. So you will check on your downloads folder for the Unity setup file. Then from there, you just open the file and then install. So you can see the application is there under downloads folder. So from there, you can right click and run as administrator to begin the installation process. And that will take some few minutes, but still consider to have a strong network because